Presenting Boat 1200, a portable Bluetooth speaker. The speaker has a 14-watt RMS output with passive bass radiator for an immersive audio experience. This cylindrical speaker features a 360-degree ergonomic design and comes with a strap for enhanced portability. It also comes with RGB LED lights. The speaker features an inbuilt mic for a hands-free calling experience. With TWS feature, you can also connect two Stone 1200S for a bigger impact. The speaker is IPX7 water and splash resistant, enabling you to use it even outdoors. With 3600 mAh battery, Boat Stone 1200 delivers a playback time of up to 9 hours without the RGB LEDs and 7 hours with the RGB LEDs. It also comes with Battery Notification in Phone feature. The speaker comes with Bluetooth, aux, USB and FM connectivity. The speaker features smooth controls with mic and is also voice assistant integrated. It is available in black, blue and maroon color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.